Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, with a 1991 Regal 255XL diesel, poking an AD31 diesel on outdrive. You'll hear that running in just a moment on a different video. And put the floor down. Nice cockpit, nice and spacious. Seating for at least 6 or 7. White and blue, showing a few age-related marks. Could do with a clean over. Sliding companionway, occasional side seat here, so you can seat a couple more on a flip-up seat. Pretty good condition canopy. Unusual being a diesel version. Most of these are petrol, so at some point this has had the Volvo Penta fitted, which is quite nice. Actually quite a nice layout inside, shore power, spirit stove. Good amount of headroom. I'm 5'10" and I'm comfortable down here. Good height hanging locker. Plenty of storage and cubbies. Looks like a heater control for a diesel heating system. Further storage above the galley and below. Refrigerator. Convertible saloon, which will convert into a nice size double. Curtains on the windows. Fly screens on the windows. Escape hatch. All the upholstery seems to be in pretty nice condition. It's certainly comfortable. These boats have the main berth under the cockpit sole. Large, good sized double, as you can see. With a standing stroke dressing area. She has shore power. Good sized heads and shower compartment. Shower is clipped up there on the wall. All in all, a very nice little starter diesel cruiser for the rivers. Will give a small family an awful lot of fun. If you'd like further information on this 1991 Regal 255XL diesel, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.